Now let's discuss about how Stream API works. So as we know that stream is nothing but sequence of elements. And on these elements, we want to perform certain operations, right? Now, these operations are classified into two types, intermediate operations and terminal operations. So basically, we have a stream object, instance of a stream. We want to first apply intermediate operations and then call the terminal operations. All right. So let's discuss something very important here. The intermediate operations are going to convert the stream into another stream or just a stream. Okay, it's not the ultimate result. Okay, so these intermediate operations like filter, sort, type conversion, map, flat map, distinct, sorted, all these methods we are going to discuss and write code for that in detail in upcoming videos. For now, understand these are the intermediate operations and they are going to convert the stream into just a stream. They're not going to convert into a list or any kind of collection or something, right? So these intermediate operations are going to convert into another stream and then the terminal operations are invoked and they bring the required result for us. Now another thing is these intermediate operations are lazily evaluated. That means on a stream when we are calling a intermediate operation like let's say filter, unless a terminal operation is called, this method filter will not be executed. Okay, so when the terminal operation is called, then only the intermediate operations are executed and then the terminal operations are executed. This is how the flow works. It's very important. Now the terminal operations are like count, sum, for each, collect, reduce. There are like method like match, any match, all match. There are many more. We are going to discuss all these methods in upcoming videos. All right. So remember that once we create the instance of a stream, intermediate operations are called and then the terminal operations are called and then we finally get our desired result. Okay, this is how internally Stream API works.